Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 8 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter monomials and polynomials. And the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply polynomials using algebra tiles, multiply polynomials, multiply polynomials to find area, and then we'll do divide monomials. So let's just start with the first lesson. Here I am on grade 8 maths. The chapter is monomials and polynomials. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiply polynomials using algebra tiles. Which multiplication expression does this area model represent? So how do we find? Just look at the base. Got it? Here you have two tiles, two x tiles, it would be 2x. And then you have two tiles for the one, it would be 2x plus 2. Got it? Now look at the height. Got it? Height is you have one x tile and two tiles for the one, it would be x plus 2. That means the area model these tiles are representing is 2x plus 2 and x plus 2. Got it? That they are 2x plus 2 and x plus 2. Basically, what we have to do, we have to find the area is always the length time width. Got it? So you have to calculate the length and width of the given tiles. Like for this one, you have to calculate which multiplication expression that does this area model represent. You have to look at the base. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 3 tiles for the x, it would be 3x. And 2 tiles for 1 and 1, that makes 2, so it would be 3x plus 2. Got it? That is the width. Now you need to calculate the length. You have 1, 2, 3, 3 tiles for the x, it would be 3x. And 1, 2, 3 tiles for 1, so it would be 3x plus 3. So what you have to write down the multiplication expression, that would be 3x plus 3 and 3x plus 2. Got it? It would be 3x plus 3 and 3x plus 2. Got it? Okay, let's just look at the other example. Okay, which area model does the expression 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 2? Got it? This is the area model. You are given the area model that represents 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 2. Got it? Here you have 2x plus 3 and here you have 2x plus 2. Which area model? Okay, you are given two of the models. You need to, basically you are given with the models, you need to select which is the correct option. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which area model represents the expression 3x plus 3 and 2x plus 2? You are given different area models. You have to select the model that represents this multiplication expression. Got it? Let's just see which is the correct one. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 3x plus 1, 1, 2, 2x plus 2. We have to select 3x plus 2 and 2x plus 2. That means that is not the correct one. Got it? Just look at the other one. It would be 1, 2, 3, 3x plus 2 and 2x plus 2. That is the correct option. Got it? That represents the multiplication expression 3x plus 2 and 2x plus 2. Got it? So the correct option is option number 2. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which multiplication expression this area model represents. So you are given the area model, you have to see which expression it is representing. Got it? Let's just calculate the width and length because the area is always length time width. Got it? So let's just calculate the length and width. It would be 1 2 3 3x plus 2, and here you have 1 2 3 1 2 3. It would be 3x plus 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 3. Got it? But you are not given the correct option here. It would be 3x plus 2, not x plus 2. 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 3. Option number 1 is then correct option. So here you have a mistake. Got it? So option number 1, let's just select the option number 1. Let's see what happens. Okay. Which model, area model represents 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3? Got it? So see both the area models. For this one you have 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. And here you have 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. This is the correct option. Got it? Because you have to see 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The second one is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which multiplication expression does the area model represent? Here you have 1, 2. So it will be 2x and 2 tiles for the 1. So it represents 2x plus 2. Here you have x plus 2. So it would be 2x plus 2 times x plus 2. Got it? So it would be 2x plus 2 and x plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is which area model represents x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. So you are given two of the area models. You need to see which one is 3x plus 2 and x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Got it? So here you have x plus 3 and the height is 1 2 3 3x plus 2. I think this isn't the correct option. No, x plus 3 and no, this isn't the correct option. Got it? Just look for the second one. Then the second one is the correct option. It would be x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Got it? That means the second option is the correct option. Got it? Correct option is second option. Okay, which multiplication expression does the area model represent? So you are given the area model. You need to see which it, so area is the length time width. Got it? So just calculate length. Here you have just one x tile and one. So it would be x plus 1. Here you have two tiles for the x. So it would be then 2x and plus 1. So it represents x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is which multiplication expression does the area model represent? So area is always the length time width. Got it? So you need to calculate the length and the width of this model. So just look at the base. It would be one tile. Just look at the last line. Just one tile for the green, so it would represent x, and two orange tiles, so it represents x plus 2. And when you look at this row, so here you have 1 2 3 tiles for the x, so it would be 3x, and 1 2 3, so it would be 3x plus 3. Got it? So the multiplication expression would be 3x plus 3 times x plus 2. Got it? It would be 3x plus 3 and x plus 2. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So it would be option number 1. Okay, the next one is you are given the area models. You need to see which one represents 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 2. Got it? So here you have 1, 2, 2x and 1, 2, 3, 2x plus 3. And here you have 1, 2, 2x and 1, 2, 2x plus 2. So see, it represents 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 2. Got it? That means option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which multiplication expression does this area model represents? Please note down the time for this session for the next 2, probably 3 weeks. The time is same. I'm going to start at 7:50. Got it? Because it's the holy month Ramadan and it's the Sahri time here. So I will start the session 10 minutes earlier. Got it? Note down the time, please. Okay, so here you have x plus x. So it would be 2x. 1, 2, 3. It would be 2x plus 3. Here you have 1, 2, 2x and 1, 2, 3. So it would be 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. Got it? So it would be 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is we are working on grade 8 maths. The chapter we're working on is polynomials and monomials. And the lesson we're going to start is multiply polynomials. Got it? Now we're going to learn how do we multiply the polynomials. Let's just start with the first example. Let me just write it down on the board. Negative 4m, 3m square and plus 4. So basically we have to multiply the negative 4m outside the bracket with both the polynomials inside the bracket. First of all, you have to multiply negative 4m to 3m square. You need to do negative 4m times 3m square. Then this is the plus sign. You have to multiply the negative 4m to this 4. Got it? You need to multiply negative 4m to 3m square, and same thing you need to multiply negative 4 times to 4. Got it? So 4 times multiply their coefficients. 4 times 4 is 12. You have a negative sign. Here you have m square and here you have m. When you are multiplying the variables with same variables, you have to add their power. So 2 plus 1 makes 3. So it would be negative 12m cube. Got it? You are in grade 8, so you already know all these things. I'm just repeating. 4 times 4 is 16 and here you have 16m. So the correct option is negative 12m cube and minus 16m. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. They are already solved. That's why I'm going to start with the test questions. Okay, 2t times negative 4t square negative 9. Got it? So you have to do the same thing. Just multiply 2t to negative 4t. Be 2t times negative 4t square, then 2t times negative 9. Got it? 2 times 4 is 8, negative 8. Here you have t square and here you have 1. So when you multiply them, their powers must be added. So it would be negative 8t cube. Then you have 2 times 9 is 18. So it would be 18t. Got it? So the correct option is negative 8t cube minus 18t. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. If you already know the answers, you can just write down the answers in the chat box. Okay, negative g times negative 4g square minus 5. Got it? So when you multiply negative g and negative 4g square, both of them are negative. So negative and negative is positive. and it has the coefficient 1, so 4 times 1 is 4, and g square makes g cube, so it would be 4g cube. Got it? And when you multiply negative g with negative 5, so negative and negative is positive, and it makes 5g. So the correct option is 4g cube plus 5g. Got it? So it would be 4g cube plus 5g. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is find the product. So you have to do m times 4m square. It would be 4m cube. Got it? And negative 3 times m is negative 3m. So it would be 4m cube minus 3m. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is find the product, simplify your answer. So you have to multiply negative 3, everything inside the bracket. Got it? Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12y square, and negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. So the correct option is negative 12y square minus 3. Got it? The correct option is negative 12y square minus 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is find the product. You have to multiply 4, everything that is inside the bracket. Got it? It would be 4 times 3 is 12. So that would be negative 12 square d square, and 4 times 9 is 36. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? If you already know the answers, you can just write down the answer in the chat box. It would be negative 12 d square plus 36. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is find the product, simplify your answer. So you have to multiply negative 4m to everything that is inside the bracket. Got it? So 4 times 3 is 12. It would be negative 12m cube, and 4 times 4 is 16, negative 16m. So it would be 12m cube, negative 12m cube, and minus 16m. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So just write down the question in the chat box if you have any. So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, find a product, simplify your answer. Got it? So it would be negative 9q square and 9 times 5. So it would be 9q square and negative 5, 9 times 5 is 45. Got it? That would be negative 9 square and minus 45. Got it? Okay, that would be the second option. That is negative 9 cube q square minus 45 is the correct option. Got it? Okay. You have to do negative 6 times f square. So it would be negative 6f square, and negative is positive, and 6 times 2 is 12. So that would be option number 1. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. Negative 6f square plus 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, find a product. Negative 9 times negative 2 is 18j square. Negative 9 plus 3 is negative 27. So it would be 18j square minus 27. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is Multiply polynomials to find area. Find the parameter. So we have to find the parameter. We know that the parameter is sum of all the side lengths. Got it? So you are given the side lengths. They are 8, c plus 7 and 12. Just add them. Collect the like terms. 7, 10 and 8 are the like terms. Just add them. It makes 25. So the correct option is c plus 25. Got it? Okay, find the parameter. Keep this very important point for the parameter in your mind. Parameter is you have to add up all the side lengths. Got it? So for the triangle, you have 4 plus t minus 1. Got it? And just collect the like terms. And for the area, you have to multiply length time width. Got it? Like for the shape is square, you have to do area is base times height. Base is 2x and height is 2x. So you need to do 2x times 2x. That would be 4x square. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself. They are already solved. Then let's just start with the test questions. Okay, find the area. Simplify your answer. Area is length time width. Got it? So length is 7 and the width is 2x. So 7 times 2 is 14. So it would be 14x. Got it? So the correct option is 14x. Option number 1 is the correct option. 14 and x also. Do not forget to mention the x. It would be 14x. Evangeline, do not forget to mention x. It would be 14x. Okay, the next one is find the area. What is the area? The area of the shape is length time width. So 4 times 3 is 4 times 3 is 12. So that would be 12x. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, find the area. So length time width. So it would be 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is yes, again that is 12x. 6 times 2 is 12. So it would be 12x. Okay, find the area, which is the correct option. Yes, that would be 4 times 2 is 8x. So the area for the shape is 8x. Okay, find the area, which is the correct option. You have to do length time width. Length is 2x and width is x. So 2x times x is 2x square. You are multiplying 2x and x. 2 times 1 is 2 and x both have 1 power and you are multiplying. Their powers are adding. So it would be 2x square. Got it? So the correct option is 2x square. Option number 2 is the correct option. Be careful when multiplying the variables. Okay, the next one is find the area, which is the correct option. 5 times 2 is 10x. So it would be 10x. Okay, find the area, which is the correct option. 9 times 3 is, yes, 9 times 3 is 12x. So the correct option is 12x. Got it? 9 times 3 is 27, not 12x, 27x it is. Okay, find the area. You have to do length time weight. Got it? So 3x times 2x is 3 times 2 is 6 and x times x is x square. So it would be 6x square. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. So the correct option is 6x square. Okay, find the area. Again, you have to do length time weight. So 3 times 3 is 9 and x times x is x square. So the correct option is 9x square. Got it? So it would be 9x square. Okay, find the area. Again, you have to do length time weight. So it would be 2x times 2x is, yes, 4x square. So the correct option is 4x square. Okay, you can complete that. What's wrong with the question? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next lesson is, I think, divide polynomials. Yes, the next one is divide monomials. Let's just start with the divide monomials. 7b divided by 7b. So numerator and denominator are exactly same. Got it? That means 7b times 1 is 7b. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4h divided by h square. So numerator and denominator have same variables. You can subtract, add or subtract their powers. It is 4h divided by 2h cube, I think. Cube square. It will be 2h square. Okay, so here you have 2h square. You can divide 4 into 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? So here you have left with 2. Now you can look at the h. Here you have 1 and here you have 2. You cannot subtract 1 minus 2. You need to divide. You can shift the 1 to the denominator. So it would be 2 minus 1 because both of the variable is exactly same. So it would be 2 minus 1 is 1. So it would be 2 over h. Got it? So the correct option is 2 over h. Got it? Okay, the next one is 9s7 divided by, it would be 9s7 divided by 3s. Got it? We can divide 3 and 9. We know that you can divide them by 3. So it would be 3 times 3 is 9. Got it? Okay, here you have s7. Here you have 1. You can shift the 1 to the numerator. 7 minus 1 it is. So it would be 3 times s6. Got it? So the correct option is 3s6. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions so that we can do the practice questions. So let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the first one is 3b divided by b9. You always subtract the greater power. you always subtract the smaller power out of the greater one. Got it? So here you have the power of b is 1. So you can shift the 1 to the denominator. So it would be 3 divided by b, 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8, so it would be 3 divided by b8. Got it? So it would be 3 divided by b8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is 6dz divided by z. 6z divided by z. You can cancel out z, you are left with just 6. Or the other one is both of them has the power 1. So you can do 6z 1 minus 1, that would be 6z0. And any variable that has the power 0 equals 1. So it would be 6 times 1 and 6 times 1 is 6. Got it? So the correct option is 6. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 5r divided by 5r. So numerator and denominator are exactly same. They can cancel out each other. 5r times 1 is 5r, isn't it? So the correct option is 1. So the correct option is 1. Got it? Okay, 8s5 divided by 4s. So you can divide them by a common number 4. It would be 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. So here you have 5 and here you have 1. You can subtract 5 minus 1. And that would be 4. So it would be 2s4 is the correct option. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. This is very easy. You guys are in grade 8. You have done this so many times, isn't it? Still, if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions. Okay, C and C cancel out each other, and 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. So the correct option is 3. Got it? The correct option is 3. Okay, 9u, 8 divided by 3u. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. You are left with 3 and 8 minus 1 because here you have the exponent 1. So it would be 3u7. So the correct option is 3u7. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 5u4 divided by 5u. So which is the correct option? 5 and 5 cancel out each other. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So you are left with just u exponent 3. Got it? The correct option is u3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, it's c divided by c. So which is the correct option? You can cancel out the c. You are left with just 8. So 8 is the correct option. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 10t8. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, which is the correct option? 3 times 3 is 9, so it will be 3s6. Got it? The correct option is 3s6. Okay, 2g divided by 2g9, so which is the correct option? You can cancel out 2 and 2. You need to move the one exponent to denominator. It would be 9 minus 1, that would be g8. 1 over g8. Got it? When you move it to the numerator, it would be g exponent -8. Got it? Whenever you are shifting an exponent from denominator to numerator, it would be the negative exponent. Got it? So it would be g exponent -8. Got it? Okay, 2m7 divided by 2m, which is the correct option? Yes, 7 minus 1 is 6, so it would be m exponent 6 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, 4c divided by 2c equals, the correct option is, yes, 3 is the correct option. Yes, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 is the correct option. Sorry. Okay, which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? That would be option number 2. Got it? You are going to subtract the 1 to denominator. It would be 2 minus 1, 1. But when you shift it to numerator, it would be then negative. So it would be the second option, 2h exponent -1. Got it? Okay, so which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? That would be option number 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, but you are shifting and it from denominator to numerator, so it would be then negative. Option number 1 is the correct option. U exponent -3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 8 maths. You can please note down the time of the session for the next 2-3 weeks. It would be 7:50. Got it? Okay, that we are working on grade 8 maths. The chapter we are working on is polynomials and monomials. The lessons we have covered today are multiply polynomials using algebra tiles, multiply polynomials to find area, and then divide monomials. Got it? So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask if you have any question. No questions? Okay, please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.